How to create, sell, and transfer NFTs on OpenSea. Easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with OpenSea and upload your own NFTs, create your own NFTs, how are you supposed to list them, and what are the tools that you need to get started with OpenSea. So let's get into it. Now, for you to be able to use OpenSea, although you don't need any cryptocurrency, you actually do need a crypto wallet. So to get started on OpenSea to create NFTs, you actually do need to have a crypto wallet. Now, you can see over here, OpenSea allows you a lot of different options for crypto wallets. You have MetaMask, Coinbase, Kakias, Fortmatic, Glow, Phantom, and so many other crypto wallet options. However, MetaMask is one of the most popular ones and one of the most widely used ones. So the first thing that you have to do to get started with MetaMask is simply to go onto metamask.io and click on download for Chrome. This will open up the Chrome web store, and once the Chrome web store has been opened, you can see I already have it on Chrome, but I will remove this and show you guys how to add it to your Chrome. So you can see over here, it is the Chrome extension, and you're just going to click on add to Chrome. You're going to click on add extension, and you can see over here, click on the top right over here. It's just downloading, and a couple of seconds our download will be completed and our extension will be added. So you can see now our extension has been created, and now I will simply click on create a wallet, and you will enter a password for your wallet. Once you have created your password, you actually have to take a look at your secret recovery phrase. So I would recommend that you make sure to write this down. Don't show this to anyone. This is just a sample wallet, so it really doesn't matter for me, but make sure that you are writing this down somewhere safe or remembering it or keeping it in your notes, something along those lines. But I would recommend that you write it down instead of keeping it on the cloud, because you don't want any of your passwords to be on the cloud. And just like that, my crypto wallet has been created. So now I have a MetaMask wallet, and I will just pin it over here to show you guys what it looks like. And if I click on the top right over here, now you can see over here, this is my crypto wallet. Now all you have to do is you can go onto OpenSea.io and you can simply click on create on the top right over here. Then you will click on MetaMask or any other crypto wallet that you might be using. So once you click on the wallet of your choice, they will actually give you a notification. There will be a notification from your actual crypto wallet whether or not you want to connect with this specific website. So we're going to click on next. We're going to click on connect, and now our OpenSea account is being linked to our MetaMask account. So they will give you a verification. You can see over here, now you have to sign this specific signature request. So you're just going to click on sign. And now, just like that, your account has been created. So now I have my profile on OpenSea. You can customize your profile, but we're focusing on how to create your listing, and I have to focus on that. So you're simply going to click on create over here. And once you have created your account, you can simply upload your listing. Let's say that we are using Canva to create our NFTs. So I'm just going to take a Canva NFT that I had previously created, and I will download this and upload this, and I will show you guys how I, create a listing on OpenSea. So we're just going to download this. In the meanwhile, the first thing you have to do is upload the NFT. So we're just going to wait for this to be completed. And the second thing is the item name. So the item name needs to be super attractive. This is the name that your NFT is going to be going by. If you're creating a collection, then you could create a cohesive name. So like a initial word or phrase that is included in all of the NFTs, and then one individual separator, such as floral animals tiger print. So this could be the name of this specific NFT, or I could be like fruity animals. So maybe I want to name my collection Fruity Animals, so you can add that as a collection name, or you can add that in the name as well. However, you can simply add the name of the NFT, so Tiger Sarah. So maybe this is the name of my NFT. Then you can add any external link. So if you have an item page, a detail page on your website, or any other platform like NFT calendar, then you can add that link over here. Then you will provide a description of your item. So make sure that it is SEO optimized, simply because search engine results really do affect the rating of where your NFT will appear, and the higher your NFT appears, the more likely you are to sell it. So just add a simple description. Don't be too pushy, but like don't try to totally forget about SEO. So I've added a simple description, so you can see it's a random kind of description. It describes the idea of the NFT. So it's just a random description. It takes into account where the idea of the NFT came from, what the NFT means, all of that good stuff you can include in the description of your NFT. Next up, you have your collection. So I'm making this as a standalone NFT. However, you can add this to any of your collections. Then you can add any of the properties such as textual traits, levels, stats, and unlockable content. So if you enable unlockable content, then this will only be revealed to the next person that buys it. So until then, people will not be able to view this NFT. It would be blurred. Then you also have your explicit and sensitive content. If your NFT contains sensitive images, you need to enable this. Then you need to add the supply. Then you will add what blockchain you want your NFT to be on. We want it to be on the Ethereum blockchain. And then you have your freeze metadata. So you can see over here that freeze metadata actually allows your content to not be removed, as it is permanently stored in the decentralized finance. So now you will just click on create. You will verify that you are not a robot and you don't have to incur any gas fees whatsoever. The gas fees are all paid by the person that purchases your NFT. So you can create and mint as many NFTs as you want on OpenSea. And just like that, my NFT has been created. Now, this is just the creation part. Right now, it is still owned by me and it is not available on the marketplace. So to make it available on the marketplace, I can simply click on sell over here. And once I click on sell, I can choose how I want to list this item. So let's say I want this to be on a fixed price and I want it to be for 0.02 Ethereum. Then I want to add the duration. So or how long should this be available on the marketplace, let's say for 3 months. And then you can see the overall fees that would be incurred by the next purchaser. And now I will simply click on complete listing. And now I will get a signing request from MetaMask over here. And I will scroll down and then you're going to click on sign. And once you've clicked on sign, now your NFT is available on the marketplace. And once it is available on the marketplace, now people can purchase it from you. Now, if you want to transfer your NFT, you can simply click on the top right over here, this little button, and you can simply transfer it into any wallet or destination, and your NFT will be transferred. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.